reason for the refurbishment of Terminal 2 is that it's been important that the repair refurbishment has been done to a very high standard. The system devised by CHANGI, which is currently being operated with FloorMedics in Singapore, gives a total repair with a guaranteed life, which will actually be stronger than the original stone that you are repairing. The three main causes of damage is stress cracking, damage from maintenance personnel, and normal wear and tear of a high user public area. The standard system is that we must grind out the repair. This is to remove any loose dust, crystals of the stone or contamination from feet. By grinding out, we are making good contact with the original stone. We can then get good adhesion and achieve a very, very good result. After grinding, we have to clean with a proprietary cleaner supplied by CHANGI, which will allow the material that is going to be inserted into the damaged area to bond extremely well, so creating a permanent refurbishment. After cleaning with the proprietary cleaner, we must wait approximately 30 seconds for the fluid to evaporate. By allowing the fluid to evaporate, we achieve a very, very good bond when we apply the UV material from the specified syringes. After applying the syringe of UV material, which is clear at this stage, we then cure it with either of the processes using the handheld battery system UV or the more powerful UV system that is plugged into the mains. We then use the same material, but we colour it to the relevant colour of the stone. This is the main advantage of this process over mastic or super glue or stone glue. And then we are polishing it up to the level of the surrounding area, whether it is a matte sanded finish or whether it is a high gloss 90% plus polished finish. The system that has been developed by CHANGI is a total process. We regrind the stone to make certain that there is no loose stone, dust or contamination. We then clean using a specific specialised developed product from CHANGI, which makes certain that the adhesion to the stone is of the highest quality. We then fill using ultraviolet light material, which is very, very efficient, very hard wearing and harder than the original stone that has been broken out. The advantage of using this system is that it is fully cured within between 5 to 30 seconds. This means that there is very little disruption if you are doing work at Terminal 2 or any of the other terminals of CHANGI. It means that the process is very quick and efficient, and it means that after the work has been completed, you can move on to the next repair and the airport can continue to use the facilities without any problems of contamination, damage, or otherwise not being able to use the floor space. The biggest advantage of this is speed of application, speed of curing, and doesn't create a problem for dust or noise pollution or any other kind of infringement of public areas. We can go into an area in a very, very short space of time with the barriers. We can then achieve a very, very quick repair at a very, very reasonable cost and then move on to another area without having to barrier off the area that we've just worked on, because the material is fully cured as we move on.